Hey guys, it's Vanessa, the Manicurist Nails. Today we're going to be doing alcohol ink flowers using Macart Gel Blossom ink. So I'm using blue or azure as it's called. And basically I'm just putting drops of ink in a circular motion. And if you want the flowers to be smaller, you can use the tip or the side of the brush by gently tapping it. Make sure you scoop some ink out of the bottle so that it's not too much. And make sure your nail is matte or buffed before you apply the ink.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like lay your arms around me and stay with me. Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that.
Okay, now I'm just going to use acetone to kind of create a more thinner lines and fix any mistakes that I've made and just make it look more nice. Now, if you want, you can choose to add more details, such as veins on the leaves, or even some lines or extra highlights or shading on the flower. But I'm not going to go into all that. So once you're done your cure, and you can add matte top coat, or you can leave it glossy if you prefer. I prefer matte because it shows all the details. And you're going to cure for about a minute. Now this part is only optional if you want to add a little pizzazz or some shine to your art. You can put transfer foil, glitter, or whatever you prefer. So I'm using transfer foil gel from Macart, and I'm gonna cure it for about 15 seconds. I'm mostly adding the gel around the highlights. For instance, the white gel polish, I'll add a little bit here and there. And then once you cure it, go ahead and tap your foil. And then once you're done, you can add another layer of matte top coat. And this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.